Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account tied to the recharge code. Make sure you can access two-factor prompts. Open the Play Store and tap your profile icon, then Payments and Subscriptions. This is where automatic reloads and saved payment methods live. Once done, scan the list for any auto-reload or saved cards that match the code origin. You'll act on those entries next. Don't skip verifying which card or service is linked, because that prevents accidental interruptions. Now you disable the automatic recharge. Tap Payment Methods and manage each entry. If you see an auto-reload toggle, switch it off. This stops future top-ups immediately. If a saved card is the trigger, remove it so codes cannot apply. Confirm removal with your account password. Also inspect subscriptions and family payment settings, because a family manager or subscription can still trigger charges. Make sure to exit only after Google confirms the change, so the system registers it. Finally, confirm changes. Try a small Play Store action that would require payment. This verifies auto-recharge is off. If the code still redeems or charges persist, revoke app and site access from your Google account security settings and change your password immediately. This closes unauthorized paths. If the problem continues, gather transaction ID and contact Google support for reversal. Make sure to mention exact timestamps. One troubleshooting tip: if you see unexpected activity, remove all saved payment methods before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.